Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 9th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the US dollar index has still not been able to golf to the upside, so the trend is definitely still down. I agree with anybody that thinks that it would make more sense for this to actually make a push to the upside, so we definitely still want to keep an eye out for that. If we go down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last impulsive move up, which did not break structure, by the way. And I am watching my Fibonacci retracement because if this move down right here really is a pullback to this move up, then likely we will go right to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. We'll make a really nice big engulfing move to the upside. If we see a nice engulfing move to the upside at one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, then I definitely would take it as a long via the dollar pairs themselves. Hopefully at that point it goes up and gives us a break of structure, which will help confirm that we will have at least some sort of a bigger move to the upside on the US dollar on at least a daily time frame and up. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.